Okay, so by 1.1 vra hulle vir jou om 'n vrye liggaamdiagram van die boks te teken. Now, start with what you know for sure. Hierdie boks weeg 60 kg. So it has Fg, and in the opposite direction, it has a normal force as well. Okay, goed. Nou kom ons kyk na hierdie krag wat inwerk, hierdie ene. Gaan ek nou opbreek in twee verskillende komponente. The one will be the y component, so I'm breaking up this one, be pointing downwards, because do you see that this force is pushing downwards? Met ander woorde, sy y komponent wys onder toe en dan sy x komponent wys na regs. Ek bedoel na links. Okay. And if you carried on reading, you would have seen that it does have friction. So jy moet net maar daai wrywing komponent op bysit. Okay. Goed, dan sê hulle vir jou by die volgende ene bereken Fk wanneer die boks teen 'n konstante spoed beweeg. So I want you to write this down. Write down constant speed speed means F net is equal to 0. That's the first conclusion that you have to draw. Hoekom? Want konstante spoed beteken versnelling is 0. They did.
They say constant velocity.
Okay, well, constant velocity means acceleration is 0. So you can change speed to velocity. No? Do you agree that whether it's constant speed or constant velocity, acceleration remains 0? Velocity is just speed with a direction.
Okay.
Yes?
Yes.
Good. Okay.
If you say so.
I'm not lying, I promise. Okay. So die oomblik as hulle praat van konstante snelheid, konstante spoed, constant speed, constant velocity, you immediately have to know that that means that F net is equal to 0. In other words, friction and that x component must be equal. Okay, die korrekte wiskundige manier om te skryf is om te sê met 'n bloue highlighter, F net is mos gelyk aan Fx minus Fk. Why am I saying minus? Because I picked to the left as positive. Okay? Almal nog by. Met ander woorde, as daai 'n 0 is, then I can say that means that those two, julle, hy toets my, are equal to one another. Mathematically, they are equal to one another. Do you agree? So, omdat F net gelyk is aan 0, beteken dit presies wat ons nog heeltyd sê. Dit beteken daai twee kragte is in equilibrium met mekaar. They cancel out one another. You have to make the mind shift. Even though this box is moving, the net force is 0. Because the acceleration is 0. It is moving, but it is moving at a constant velocity. So die netto krag is 0. Dit beteken nie die toegepaste krag is 0 nie. Iemand sleep dit nog steeds. Maar dit versnel nie. So die netto krag is 0. Nee? A force is still being applied. Nee? 'n krag van hoeveel? 150 Newton word nog steeds toegepas. Maar die netto krag is 0, daarom versnel die boks nie. You have to distinguish between the two. Okay. Goed, so as ons nou uiteindelik hierby uitgekom het, dan kan ons sê dit beteken Fk is gelyk aan F cos theta, which is 150 cos 15. Ek skryf nou net die antwoorde uit die antwoordboek uit. So sê my as julle nie saamstem nie, né? Die memo wat ek gister vir julle gestuur het, het as 'n rigting gesê teen beweging. Dit maak nie saak nie. Die skets wys mos duidelik links en regs, so jy kan links en regs gebruik. Okay, then for 6.3, they say calculate mu K. No. Met ander woorde, die wrywingskonstante. How do we do that? You have to know this formula. Okay. Goed. Ons het klaar daai, ons het hom nou net uitgewerk. So I need to calculate the normal force to be able to solve for that constant. Nou gaan ek gou terug na my skets toe. Nou kyk ons vir die eerste keer eintlik op die eie as. Those have to be in balance with one another. Do you agree? Okay, ek gaan net gou uitzoom dat ons net die skets daar kan hê en dan gaan ek nou inzoom op die formule. So because they have to be in balance with one another, it means that the one pointing upwards, okay, actually once again it means that F net is equal to 0. Nee? So met ander woorde, Fn is gelyk aan Fi plus Fg. The one pointing upwards has the same magnitude as the two pointing downwards added together. Because it is in equilibrium, so F net is equal to 0. The box isn't moving up and down. So it has 0 acceleration up and down. So in other words, F net in the y-axis is also equal to 0. Okay, goed. En as ons dit het, kan ons nou gaan instel. Daai ene is F sin theta en daai ene is M mal G. Do you agree? So ons stel in 150 sin 15 grade en hierdie ene was hy 60 kg. Ek doen dit nou effens anders as wat julle die memo wat ek vir julle gestuur het, ek breek hom net in meer stappe op. Okay, so now I can substitute 144,89, dit trek van daar af. This is the one I want to solve, and from here I get the normal force is 626,82. Ek rond hom nog nie af, hou hom som op jou sakrekenaar. Does it have a unit? Nee. What's my masker here? Okay. Goed. Sien ek heel rustig klas sonder 'n masker. Hektiek. Okay, nommer 6.4 sê as die boks in rus is, bereken die koëffisiënt van statiese wrywing as die krag van slegs 20 Newton toegepas word teen 'n konstante hoek van 15 grade met die horisontaal net voor die boks begin beweeg. In other words, we are once again looking at Fs max. This is what I want to calculate. And I can also calculate Fn. Now remember, because the applied force changes, it means, so F is now equal to 20 Newton. 20 Newton? Because that changes, it influences both Fx and Fy. Do you agree? So as ek gou vinnig 'n vryliggaam diagram weer gaan teken, dis presies dieselfde een as nou. Okay, dan beteken dit hierdie twee moet in equilibrium met mekaar wees. Sorry dat myne nou nie ewe lank is nie. Those two have to be in equilibrium with one another because the box has 0 acceleration, so F net is equal to 0. En daai moet in equilibrium met mekaar wees want F net is gelyk aan 0. So you need to take that into account. Yes. So you need to take that into account when you are doing this. You can't use the normal force from the previous one because the normal force changes as well. Okay. So kom ons gaan werk eers Fs uit. So this one is equal to the new Fx, which is now 20 times, nope, cos 15 en ons gaan werk die nuwe normaalkrag uit. And from that you can substitute it back in and solve.